Hey y'all, it's your boy DJ Restorates. Going to outer space, and we're going nowhere. I'm back at y'all with another lit restoration. So basically, these shoes that I'm about to work on are about to be like the most expensive shoes. If I can say, I ain't gonna lie, these probably the most expensive shoes that I've worked on, and I'm glad to be working on these to show you that I'm not playing. So basically, what's going on today is these are a customer's pair of shoes, and they want me to you know what I'm saying, give this. Matter of fact, I told them that it's gonna need a deep cleaning because of the certain material, because it's mesh, mainly mesh material around this shoe. So it's gonna have to go into, you know, for a deep clean. We gonna clean the white here. You know what I'm saying? When we done cleaning the shoe is right here on the midsole. I don't know if this is the midsole, but the outsole, the whole outsole is basically yellow because it's supposed to be gray, and it's not gray. It's giving more of like a yellow tint to it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get into this cleaning, and that's it. I'm excited. Ain't gonna lie. I don't see the size on these, so I'm gonna just. But I'm not taking out the laces because the customer has, you know, a specific way where they tie their laces, so I ain't gonna take it off. So first, I'm gonna start off by doing is moving the shoe to the side. So I'm gonna work on that after, but I'm gonna just have this here. I'm gonna work on this first. Have my cold water here. It's cold water. Got my solution. Do two of those things. I'm gonna get a small brush. I'm gonna get a soft brush, and we're gonna start this cleaning. And now I'm done with the midsoles and the uppers. I'm about to move on to the bottoms and scrub the hell out of this shoe. Right now, y'all, let me give y'all a little before and after. See. Let me see. Let me do a little method of hair. I see a little dirt. You know what I'm saying? Let me get the. There, that's right. So right now, off camera, I'm gonna finish this side of the shoe, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna see or if it needs to go in the laundry system. It may not. After looking at this whole smoke cleaner, it doesn't have to go in the laundry system. So I'm gonna have to just clean these shoes and just take out the yellow one.